Hey guys, this is Jamilola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here with an HSN Crafty Day event. Haul on. If you did not know, October 9th was the last Crafty Day. It was actually 25 hours because Crafter's Companion came on at 11. And by the way, Crafter's Companion is having a 13th birthday party that starts next week. So you got to be on the lookout because they'll have stuff on sale for that. And you have to look on the USA site, which won't have as much stuff as the UK site does, though. But there you go. Additionally, yeah, the next one is supposed to be November 6th. Whatever the voting day is, that's the day it is. So far, I looked at the Anna Griffin stuff, and I haven't seen anything I wanted, so I'm like, yay, maybe they'll keep up that trend. But, you know, then comes Black Friday in November, and... All right, let me go through this. First, I bought the boring stuff. They had this about, you know, like flipping your power and stuff on and off and trying to make your internet better and more secure for your routers. So I thought I would try it, see if it actually works. And since you can take things all the way to January with returns, we shall see how that goes. So yay. Boring. I also did buy a new laptop. Not boring. Let's see. Tonic. These aren't HSN, but I got them today. So this one I ordered on Amazon, and so you can see there's multiple layers here for this fanciful flutter, which is funny because I talk about later, you know, too many butterfly dies in the Crafter's Companion stuff, but I loved this frame, so I got it even though it's a butterfly, but it's a tonic butterfly. So there you go. Then I also bought this one on eBay. This is called the Layered Vanity set, and it's a large die set. I have the layering dies on order from Craft Stash, and I'm waiting for them to get here. They haven't arrived yet, which is making me a little upset. Okay, let's get on with the HSN. HSN. So, I needed one more set of quilling dies. So, I didn't really need it, but, you know, it's like I had all the other ones. And I wanted this one. So, it's the peony. I love a peony. It's so pretty. So I wanted this die, so I bought that one, and then it comes with the Carnation Duo. So you would have seen me do these using the strips that came with the subscription box 5. So I have those. Then my last auto ship for my purple Gemini came today. So it's like, oh, it's kind of sad when your auto ship is over if you enjoyed it. And so we got a snowflake embossing folder. That's 3D. So that's with it. You get a set of stamps. So that's the image of all the stamps. And this little Christmas tree is cute. Okay. You get a die, little set of the little extras. And it looks like that. Okay, and these they've repeated that pattern too. Then you get some sentiments, and then with each one of these you get an edgeable, which I think that's so cool. All right, and then finally the piece de resistance is the create a card piece. Okay, so if I show anything and you want to see a demonstration on it or a tutorial, just let me know in the comments below and I can add it to the list. I need somebody to help me with this list. I need like a YouTube secretary person or something to help me keep a list of all the tutorials people want, because I'm running behind. So there you go with that one. I can't wait to play. I got too much junk. All right, next thing. I already showed in a previous haul the patchwork dies from Gemini that I got from Hochanda. Well, they had one more set that I did not have, so I got it from HSN. And I only really wanted one of the 3 out of here, which is why I didn't buy it on Hochanda. And they have an auto ship, which is weird because it's only 1 month of auto ship, so I don't even know why they would do that, but okay, whatever. So this one is your little love and smile, and I love the little designs. Okay. And here's, like I said, Crafter's Companion puts a butterfly in like everything. That one. which kind of gets old after a while. But I really liked this dragonfly one. So I wanted the dragonfly, and I loved all the little details. And I loved the zigzag pattern on the outside. Loved it. So I got that. And of course, since it had the 1 month auto ship, I did get the auto ship. Next, they had 3D embossing folders for Christmas. And like, I don't need another embossing folder. I don't need another anything other than glue and white and black and cream cardstock. But I love Christmas, so they had this one, which was awesome. It's 3D embossing folder, music notes. See that? How gorgeous is that? So I wanted that one, had to have it. Then they had the postcard, and I love postcards. So I had to get this one. And then it came with, you know, it came in a set of 4. I like this one. The pine cone one is cool. And here's another snowflake one. So I might de-stash these two because I just, you know, they came in the set, so I got them. The other thing, let's do some Anna Griffin. So she had these jacket cards, die sets. And she always puts a little inspiration, I don't know if it, yeah, a little inspiration instruction kind of thing in here. Designed to go with her Empress. But of course, you know, I didn't buy that thing. Number 1, it was almost $200. And number 2, I already have an electronic machine. And from what I gathered, it doesn't cut steel rule dies. And that's what I'm looking for. Like, I had a cut and emboss, but I hated that thing. So I gave it to my mom. All right. So anyway, here's that. And you got 2 dies. And this was an auto ship as well. So you know I signed up for that. So here's the die. It's huge. You definitely need your bigger machine. It cuts out the card base in the back and the card front. Then you get these extra dies. And what I really like about that is she gives you the piece to cut the detail into the flower. But then she gives you a backer piece. So each one of these has detail and then a backer. And then they all match these so you can pop them up. Or you could just leave them plain. So that was that one. And this one right here is freaking gorgeous, darling. Look at that. Is this not pretty? So pretty. Then you get the tag and some more butterflies. Like I said, butterflies. Okay. So here is another piece that you can layer up. So I was definitely getting that auto ship. Then I got another one. The Christmas ornament die set. You get your little sheet again. This one I'll probably cut up these little pieces and put the ones I like in my December daily. And then you have this set. I just really liked the size of them and like the detail. So you have this. So 2 Anna Griffin. How to get Anna Griffin. There was actually some other stuff she had. I was like, yes, I would like, but I did not get. Spectrum Noir had their new, although I think these colors were out before in other packs, but I'm not sure because I only got 1 set. But they had these as the Christmas colors, so your red, silver, green, and gold. And I got them. I have the other ones, girl. I haven't even, girls and boys, I have not even used them yet. But the green, the silver and the gold, a lovely Christmas. And then I don't really do a lot of traditional Christmas with the red and green, but it was still fabulous. So I can't wait to use these on those embossing folders. Yeah, baby. And try that out. Yay. Then we have this kit. Spectrum Noir came out with another set, their 3rd set of metallic markers. Look at those colors. Remember, like I said, if you see anything and you want this demonstration, let me know. It may take me a while, but I will try to do it. You got your stamps, like I said, see, Crafter's Companion, butterfly, 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 butterfly. And then this one. You got some black cardstock to work with it. And oddly enough, I keep getting these things that have this cardstock from Crafter's Companion or Spectrum Noir, which is Crafter's Companion, and I don't use it. It's like you kind of hoard it. Okay, next I got the ornamental boxes, because that's what I was pretty much waiting on for Crafter's Companion. I got the large and the small box, and then from Hochanda I ordered the additional, okay, so for this, let's do the large box. For the large box, you get this large die. I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see it. It's the same width as the shorter one, but it's double the height. You get your detail dies inside. And I don't know, these dies looking kind of scrubby on the edge. You see some of that stuff coming off? I don't know about that. And then you have some more little corners, some flowers, a tag, another butterfly, some flowers, so forth. You get the inlay die, and the auto ship is the inlays. So I wanted this one, so I didn't buy this on Hochanda. I wanted this one because they were selling this one as a different one. But I did buy the 2 inlays that are in the January auto ship from Hochanda. So they should be here this week. Yay. And then you get a stamp set, which is fabulous. And you have to excuse me for snorting. Ugh, can't breathe. Then I got the small one. So you get the small box. Extra little goodness. You get the inlay die. And they had, on Hochanda, I bought 1 set of inlays. And then you get the stamps. I think they're in here upside down. Well, these are anyway. So there they go. Now look, I made a box because I couldn't help it. And there's the sides. And it's a decent sized box. It's 5-sided. And then you can see how you make your base. Okay, then I also took one of the panels and made a tag holder. With a little tag in it. So if you want to see any of these as demos, tutorials, let me know. Okay, the last thing I got this round, other than my new laptop, is a gorgeous girl kit. They actually had 2 of these mugs, and I was about to get both of them, and I'm like, no, we'll be calm. But look what I did get. I got the one with the stamps in it. Now, I already have her, but these were new. So I was like, yes, you think I won't pass that up? And it was like 25 bucks. So I had to get that. Then with it, you get this little kit. So I'm going to try to hurry up so I can get this in one video. It won't come off. So there you go. Stuff inside. Oop-a-doop. Awesome. I think I'm just going to do a separate video for this one. All right. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Definitely check out my other channel, which is Poet Spice Biblioscribe. If you want to look at writing in December Daily and so forth like that, and journaling and nano. And then don't forget to comment if you have some requests for tutorials. You can go ahead and leave those below. Yeah. All right. See you guys later. Oh, I have some items up in my Etsy shop, which is Jamilola on Etsy. So you can just go over there and put Jamie, Jamilola. I have some of my digital images up, and I shall see you guys later. Bye.